Hello and welcome to this digital camera magazine video tutorial. Here we're going to show you how to make your city shots busier. Now you can take a picture like this by setting your camera up on a tripod and then setting the shutter speed at about 1/16. Now normally if you do that the picture will come out overexposed, so in this circumstance what we've done is to actually use an ND filter over the lens, and that just enables us to stop the exposure down a couple of stops and get that longer exposure without overexposing areas of the picture. Now the best way to do this type of busy city scene is to use a series of layers, so you build up all of the images that you've shot and then use layering techniques just to make the scene a lot busier than it would be with a single shot. So here we can see we've taken the shot, but we've only got one area of movement. So what we need to do is layer several more shots on top of that so that we can build up a nice busy city scene. And what we'll end up with is something like this, where you can see loads of movement and you can just see in the background the people standing and sitting down. So to do this we're going to use a little trick within Photoshop Element 6 which basically enables you to automatically align all of your pictures. So first thing I'll do, because it's a little bit processor intensive, is just to close down our two images. So Control W and Control W. And now what I want to do is just load those pictures up using Photo Merge. So if I go up to File, New and down to Photo Merge Panorama. In the layout I just want to reposition the images, make sure that I've got Use, and from the drop down Files, click Browse, and then I'm going to select all of the busy city scene pictures and click OK. And you can find those on this month's disk. With those all in the source files option, just click OK, and after a few moments it'll start to reposition all of those pictures and build them up in the layers palette. In the next part, this will take a few moments to run through, I'll show you just how to clear the layer masks and prepare the image ready for layering.